What's this? What's this? What's that? It's a present. Biggie, come here. Come get it.
Biggie. Oh, look at that. Biggie's present.
Oh, yeah. What's this? Oh, yes, it's Biggie's present. Daddy, come look. She's unwrapping her present. Oh, I think we're having a little problem. She's moving it.
Go get it. Oh, get it. Good girl.
Yeah, go girl. Unwrap it. Yeah, you almost got it.
Good girl.
Good girl, unwrap it. Yeah.
Get it.
Yes, get that wrapping paper. Good girl, Biggie. Go ahead. Yeah, get it. Go ahead. Yeah, get it. Oh, good girl. Good girl. Yeah, that's going to take a while. Oh, yeah. Get the bigger pieces. Good girl. Oh, look at that. What's that?
Oh, it's so pretty. Go get it.
Yeah, good girl.
Get the paper. Yeah,
Go ahead. Get the paper. Yeah, get it. Come on, Biggie. Sliding a bit. Oh, good girl. What's that?
Probably wasn't talking about dollars. Pretty much everybody wants to keep going. Most of the insurance companies know this because they keep yelling about it. Only
What's
they
that?
say how they're saving those dollars. The insurance was put online, raised by technology, and majors in efficiency.
Oh, she's ripping. You get the carpet. Yeah, you get it.
Get that wrapper. Get it. Okay. Just make it a little piece. Okay. Did you take the tickets off it?
Good girl.
Okay, now
Distraction.
look what we got. Look what we got. Oh,
Come here. Ready? Biggie, look.
go get it. Go get it. Go get it. Biggie's rug. Yeah.
Oh, Biggie.
Oh, comfy. Yeah, sit down. Sit down. Sit. Sit. Isn't that big and comfy?
You want to keep playing with the paper? She just wants to play with the paper now.
Good girl.
Good girl. Look at your rug. It's your rug.
It's a bigger rug.
Bigger rug. That one's a little small. Biggie, do you like your rug? Biggie, do you like your rug? Yes, do you like your rug? Sit. Oh, good girl, you sit on your rug.